The pickup truck world rarely agrees on anything. Brand loyalty runs deep. Diesel debates never end, and every new engine announcement sparks heated conversations. But few recent developments have divided truck fans as much as the rumored and heavily discussed new 7.2-liter Cummins diesel engine. For decades, Cummins engines have been synonymous with durability, torque, and heavy-duty capability. From the legendary 5.9-liter Cummins to the modern 6.7-liter turbo diesel found in Ram HD trucks, Cummins has built a reputation that diesel enthusiasts trust almost blindly. Yet, the potential arrival of a 7.2-liter Cummins diesel has created a surprising split among truck fans, mechanics, engineers, and industry analysts. Some believe it could be the next evolution of heavy-duty diesel performance. Others worry it could represent the last gasp of big diesel engines in a rapidly electrifying industry. So why exactly are truck fans divided? And what could the new 7.2-liter Cummins mean for the future of heavy-duty pickups? To understand the debate, we need to look at the engine itself, the changing truck market, emissions regulations, and the expectations of modern truck buyers. Before discussing the controversial new engine, it's important to understand why Cummins carries such weight in the truck world. Cummins engines have powered Ram heavy-duty trucks since 1989. Over the decades, they built a reputation for extreme durability and immense torque. The original 5.9-liter Cummins became legendary among truck enthusiasts. Known for its mechanical simplicity and reliability, many of these engines are still running today with over 500,000 miles. Later came the 6.7-liter Cummins, which debuted in 2007 and continues to power modern Ram HD trucks. Today, that engine produces around 420 horsepower and up to 1,075 pounds-ft of torque, making it one of the strongest diesel engines in the heavy-duty pickup segment. According to veteran diesel technician Mark Hallowey, who has worked on Cummins engines for over 30 years, Cummins engines have always been about longevity and torque. They aren't designed just for horsepower numbers. They're designed to work for decades. Because of that history, any new Cummins engine instantly becomes a major topic in the truck community. While Cummins has not publicly confirmed every detail, industry rumors and insider discussions suggest the company may be developing an extra 7.2-liter diesel engine designed for future heavy-duty trucks. The engine is rumored to feature increased displacement compared to the current 6.7-liter engine, stronger block design for extreme torque, advanced turbocharging technology, improved fuel injection systems, lower emissions through better combustion efficiency, compatibility with future hybrid or electrified truck systems. Engine analysts say the purpose of increasing displacement is simple: more torque at lower engine speeds, which is crucial for towing heavy loads. Automotive powertrain expert Dr. Leonard Vasquez explains, in heavy-duty trucks, torque matters more than horsepower. A larger displacement diesel allows engineers to produce massive torque without pushing the engine to extreme stress levels. If the rumors are accurate, the 7.2-liter Cummins could potentially produce 1,200 pounds-ft of torque or more, placing it firmly at the top of the diesel truck power war. For many diesel enthusiasts, the idea of a larger Cummins engine is extremely exciting. Truck owners who tow heavy trailers, haul equipment, or drive long distances often prefer diesel engines because of their durability and fuel efficiency under load. A larger engine could offer several advantages. More towing power. Heavy-duty truck buyers demand increasingly higher towing capacities. Today's trucks already tow over 35,000 pounds in some configurations. A larger engine could push those numbers even higher while maintaining reliability. Diesel performance engineer Kyle Bradford notes, a larger displacement engine allows you to create huge torque without pushing boost pressure too far. That improves long-term reliability, lower engine stress. One benefit of increased displacement is that the engine does not need to work as hard to produce power. That can reduce internal stress and potentially extend engine life. Many diesel owners prefer engines that run at lower RPM with higher torque, which is exactly what larger diesels provide. Diesel enthusiast culture. There's also a cultural element in the truck world. Bigger engines often symbolize power and capability. Some fans simply love the idea of a massive 7.2-liter diesel under the hood of a pickup truck. For them, it proves that diesel power is still alive in an industry shifting toward electrification. While many diesel fans are excited, others are far more cautious. Some believe the 7.2-liter Cummins could face serious challenges in the modern automotive landscape. Emissions regulations. The biggest concern is emissions compliance. Modern diesel engines must meet extremely strict environmental regulations, especially in North America and Europe. To comply with these rules, modern diesels require complex systems such as diesel particulate filters, selective catalytic reduction, SERGZO, exhaust fluid depth systems, exhaust gas reserve. These systems add cost and complexity. Automotive industry analyst Rachel Kim explains, the bigger the engine, the harder it becomes to meet emission standards without expensive technology. Some critics fear a 7.2-liter diesel might require even more complicated emission systems, potentially increasing maintenance costs. Another reason some fans question the new diesel is the rapid improvement of gasoline and hybrid power. Modern turbocharged gasoline engines can produce enormous torque while avoiding some diesel emissions challenges. Several manufacturers are also exploring hybrid heavy-duty truck systems that combine electric torque with gasoline engines. Electric motors provide instant torque, which could rival diesel performance in towing situations. Truck industry consultant Daniel Mercer says, the diesel advantage is shrinking. Hybrid systems can now deliver massive torque without the emissions complexity. Diesel trucks are already significantly more expensive than their gasoline counterparts. Upgrading from a gas engine to a diesel in many heavy-duty trucks costs between $9,000 and $12,000 if the 7.2-liter. Cummins includes advanced emission systems, stronger components, and new technology. The price premium could increase even further. Fleet manager Carlos Hernandez explains, for commercial fleets, cost per mile matters more than horsepower. If the engine becomes too expensive, fleets will look at alternatives. Cummins engines have historically been extremely reliable, but modern diesel technology has become more complex. Many truck owners already complain about maintenance issues related to emission systems, including DPF clogging, DEF system failures, EGR, valve problems, sensor malfunctions. Independent diesel mechanic Jason Miller says, the engine itself might be bulletproof, but the emission systems around it are what usually cause headaches for everyday truck owners. Reliability is often more important than maximum power. The future of the 7.2-liter Cummins also depends heavily on Ram's long-term strategy. Ram has relied on Cummins engines to compete against Ford Power Stroke and GM Duramax diesels in the heavy-duty truck market. Currently, the power race is intense. Ford's latest Power Stroke diesel produces over 1,200 pounds FT of torque, while GM's Duramax continues to evolve with improved efficiency and towing capabilities. If Cummins launches a 7.2-liter engine, it could give Ram a powerful advantage in this competition. Automotive journalist Stephen Carter explains, truck buyers love bragging rights. The company with the highest torque number often gets the headlines. Perhaps the biggest uncertainty surrounding the 7.2-liter Cummins is the industry's shift toward electrification. Many manufacturers are investing heavily in electric trucks, hybrid systems, and even hydrogen power. Cummins itself is investing in hydrogen internal combustion engines and electric power. Energy systems researcher Dr. Olivia Chun explains, diesel isn't disappearing overnight, but manufacturers are clearly preparing for a future beyond traditional combustion engines. Despite the debate, many experts believe diesel engines will remain essential in heavy-duty applications for years to come. Electric trucks still face challenges with battery weight, charging infrastructure, towing range. Heavy towing dramatically reduces electric range, making diesel engines more practical for long-distance hauling. Truck engineering specialist David Reinhardt says, diesel engines remain the most efficient solution for long-distance towing. Batteries simply can't match the energy density of diesel fuel yet. Ultimately, the debate over the 7.2-liter Cummins reflects a deeper conflict in the truck industry. On one side, are traditional diesel enthusiasts who value durability, torque, and mechanical strength. On the other side are buyers looking toward new technologies that promise cleaner emissions and lower operating costs. Both perspectives are valid. The 7.2-liter Cummins sits right at the center of that transition. If Cummins moves forward with the 7.2-liter engine, it could become one of the most powerful diesel engines ever offered in a pickup truck. But its success will depend on several factors: emissions, compliance, reliability of new systems, pricing compared to competitors, the pace of electrification in the truck market. For now, the engine remains a topic of speculation, excitement, and controversy. The rumored 7.2-liter Cummins diesel represents both opportunity and uncertainty for the truck industry. For diesel enthusiasts, it could be the next chapter in a legendary engine family. For skeptics, it raises questions about cost, emissions, and the future of combustion engine. One thing is certain. If this engine reaches production, it will immediately become one of the most talked about powertrains in the truck world. And in the fiercely competitive pickup market, that kind of attention can change everything. The real question isn't just whether the 7.2-liter Cummins will arrive. It's whether the truck world is ready for it.